Hello and welcome back to the Forex market situation update. Friday, last day on our calendar week. We want to talk about the Euro Japanese yen, which right now is barking through that 129.27 level that was supposed to be the last line of defense inside of this sideways movement that we've been able to record ever since early July. Ever since early July, price started to trade sideways. For a few days, we thought it was breaking down. 129.27 still is the level to take notice of. So price action came back up after a few days and was heading straight back to the upper section. Slight touchdown on that 130.73 and went straight down again back to the lower section. On its way down again, overextension like we had last time. Last time was obviously more profound, but this time again looks like we have an overextension because we are missing one more leg back up. To complete this trading range, price action needs to give us one more leg back up. That's how we see the situation here. I want to show you the higher time frame because it's really interesting. I mean, take a look, 129.27 again, getting huge rejection this week. Take a look at that spike that's starting to show up here. So price action made it all the way back inside, right? That is very suspicious from a bearish point of view, right? It looks like that bearish movement, that breakdown, is not happening. And from the monthly perspective, it's even more impressive. Check this out. So again, the same 129.27, right? I haven't touched anything. Price action didn't spend it didn't close any monthly bar here below that level, meaning everything we've seen here on the daily chart that it extended beyond that 129.27 was pure noise. All right, that's the bottom line. So after coming to that conclusion, it was easy for us to pull the trigger, so we did. Started with 10K, but as you can see, prices keeps raising its head. At that point, we would like to throw in another 10K just to pump up the position a little bit, because we're getting prepared for a big move. All right, for a big move all the way to 131. So we're talking about 170 pip, right? Now we're going to place our stop loss level at 128.30, so that's about 100 pip of risk against a 170 pip, or at least 140 pip, because we also have a big resistance level lying at 130.73. So we're going to start by aiming at that level, but keeping an eye on 131 for possibly price extension. We might try to target the previous high. By the way, that's not just the previous high, it's also a Fibonacci projection level 123.6. all right, guys, so yeah, I mean, there's a lot to look forward here. We need price action to come right back in and then start to accelerate that positive momentum. Once we see that, we're going to commit more funds to this position. All right, guys, that's about that for the Euro Japanese yen. Don't go away yet. We still have an interesting discussion about the dollar Japanese yen. We've just flipped over, so don't miss out on that one. See you in the next video.